2002 Chevrolet Camaro Super Sport, Hurst 6-speed transmission, and yes, it has 865 miles. Let's go put a few more on it. All right, y'all, I am coming to you from a brand new 2002 Chevrolet Camaro SS 6-speed car. And yes, it has 866 miles on it. It is as close to a brand new 2002 Camaro as you are ever going to find. And this is a really well-optioned car. Again, 2002, clean Carfax, clean auto check, no accidents or damage ever reported, and really represents about as clean as you're ever going to find. Retains its original numbers matching LS1. This one is a 6-speed car, and it does have the optional Hurst Shifter, power 4-wheel disc brakes, power steering, obviously all factory equipment there. Still retains the factory exhaust, AC's on, blows nice and cold, zero complaints from really anything mechanically. The heat also blows hot, and it's actually crazy driving this car because it's so brand new that I almost feel bad putting a couple miles on it, but it's nice to get it out, stretch its legs just a little bit. We'll put about 5 or so miles on it and then park it in the showroom, and then the next owner can drive it for whatever miles they want to put on there. On the interior, it's the factory Ebony interior. Everything in here is fantastic. The only notes, and if y'all can see it in the video, it's not a split, it's not a real problem. There's a tiny little like scuff on the dash right there, and there's a couple tiny little flaws on the seat bottom here on the driver's side. It's all really, really minor stuff, but no real issues. T-top material is great, visors look good. Again, T-top car. Door panels are excellent, carpet, floor mats, seat covers. No real problems other than just a couple little notes I mentioned. Turn signal switch is nice and tight. All the plastics in here look basically brand new. Factory stereo, doesn't look like anyone's ever really pressed any of the buttons. Console, glove box, all that stuff is in like new condition. And as you'd expect for a sub 1,000-mile car, everything from the front headlights to the tail lights and everything in between all works exactly like it should. The does it work section, the clean Carfax, the auto check, all the motor numbers, the VIN numbers, the tags on the car, all of that stuff can be found on the website pcclassiccars.com. Click on the inventory, click on this Camaro, scroll to the bottom of the page, and you are going to see that additional media section where you can find all that extra stuff. We're not going to get crazy with it because it's a sub 1,000-mile car, but we do have to test out the LS1. We at least got to feel some performance. I feel like it would be sacrilegious to own this car and not drive it just a little bit. So we're going to have a hair bit of fun. Maybe a little bit less than normal, but we're still gonna have a good time. So smooth. And really, 6 gears kind of useless, but we'll put it over in it, and we're doing 60 miles an hour, 1,200 RPM, so we are just cruising. On the underneath, looks like a brand new car. Floors are excellent, exhaust is great, no problems of any kind. Extremely nice undercarriage. Again, it's a 800+ mile car, so no complaints. On the exterior, it's the factory Pewter paint. Obviously a T-top car. It really represents excellent. The only flaws I found is on the T-top material itself. There's a couple little nicks, and then on the very edge of the driver's door, there's a tiny, tiny little touch-up, and then a couple just small little imperfections in the factory halo panel behind the T-tops, but it really represents great. We're gonna go ahead and downshift here, roll into it just a little bit. Again, it's good for this car to stretch its legs a little bit. It's been sitting in a garage its entire life, and I might as well be the one to put a few miles on it. Nothing wrong with that. Wheels are in excellent shape. Tires, I believe, were replaced in 2023. Do not have the originals, unfortunately, but the tires are excellent. That's on it. The little flaws, again, can be found in that additional media section on the website, pcclassiccars.com, in that additional media section. Clutch feels excellent. Downshifts exactly like we want it to. I've said it back and forth in this video, like, I want to drive this car. I kind of feel bad driving this car. I really want to drive this car. I want to drive it hard. I want to drive it how I drive all this stuff, but I get it on this one. It's a sub 1,000-mile car. That's really where it needs to stay. It's 870 at this exact moment. it'll roughly be 873 or so by the time we get back to the showroom, and that's right at where it will stay before the next owner takes delivery of it, and then they can decide if they want to drop the wheels off of it, which I would personally do. But I get it, value-wise, it's cool to keep this thing super, super low miles. Suspension is all stock, steering's all stock. It can't drive any better than this. This is the best driving one of these I've ever been in. It is like new, or as close to like new as you're ever going to find. Glass is in excellent condition. See no problems with the windshield. Side windows roll up and down like they should. Back glass is your rear defrost, which works properly. Again, we talked about the T-tops having just a couple little scuffs up on top. Just minor stuff there. Power driver's seat, tilt, cruise, steering wheel controls, all that's ready to roll. AC is again on, blowing nice and cold. We'll kick our defrost on, button kicks on, kicks off. We'll do a little second gear pull here just to test it out. All right, and that's where we'll leave it. That's our fun pull for the Camaro. Got a little third gear chirp there. Inside the compartment in the back, it's factory back there. Doesn't look like anything's ever been placed back there. You can take the T-tops off and put them in the back if you want to, but it shows great. No problems with any plastics, no problems with the carpet. It's all great. Inside the engine compartment, like the rest of the car, looks like it's brand new and very OE spec. Nothing's out of place. Has had a little bit of service work done. Fluids have been done. Belts, hoses, wiring, all that stuff checks out exactly like we needed to. Represents great in the engine compartment. It's been a well cared for car, y'all. Nothing to complain about. Your disclaimer list again is the couple tiny little cosmetic flaws on the exterior and the interior. And other than that, it is a brand new 2002 Camaro. And I love the spec. I love the color combo. Love that it's a 6-speed, that it's got the optional Hurst Shifter in it. T-tops, obviously. It's a great car. If you wanted to buy one of these brand new in 98 to 2002 and didn't get the opportunity, well, here's a chance to own a brand new LS1 6-speed Camaro. It's a great example. I'm glad I get to be the one that put 5-7 miles on this car. It's a really cool experience to hop in something like this. You just don't see examples like this very often. Man, that car's smooth. As always, my name is Michael. This is a 2002 Chevrolet Camaro SS with 872 actual miles, 6-speed manual transmission. From myself and everybody here at PC Classic Cars, we appreciate y'all stopping in to watch another one of our test drives. Make sure you check out that additional media section on the website, pcclassiccars.com. Check out the content we're posting across the social platforms every single day. We will catch you guys on the next video.